everyone, and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a 2023 Nautique G25. Beautiful boat here. It's going to be 25 foot in length. We have our stainless steel rub rail down the side here, Mystic white pole bottom, and then the Masters blue metal flake back here, which really pops in the sunlight. And all these colors are going to look really nice together once we hop inside and take a look. Back here at the swim platform, we have our non-skid right here. Got a great grab handle to get inside the boat, and then our stairway. And then with all of Nautique, we have our NSS, so your Nautique surf system. You're going to have your plates that do come out a few inches on either side. It's really going to shape your wake when you're on the water. Our surf pipe that shoots those emissions down into the water, underwater lighting, steer assist on here, so you're going to be able to move this boat on and off a dock with ease. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside this beautiful G25. Starting back here, we have a nice center entryway into the boat. You're stepping on the non-skid, so you're not going to be on all of your upholstery. On either side here, we have tons of storage. Down below, this has subfloor ballast as well, but it's going to fit your boards and other belongings that you want to take on the water. Back here, we also have a built-in cooler and 2 seats on either side with cup holders and a transom remote. So it's a great spot to hang out when you're anchored and just being on the water. As we walk inside here with our seating, we do have a seat back that goes back to here. We also have a couple spots that do pop up on either side so that you can sit back, relax, and watch the action behind the boat. Beautiful interior. We got the haze gray and then the piping here with the Masters blue, which really ties into the exterior of the boat. So taking a look here at the tower, this actually does fold down in the bimini top. There's 2 pins on either side so it can lay flat. It's good for storage underneath a lift or in a garage. And then also on our racks here, these are strapless board racks, so they do swivel and adjust. We have our 2 speakers up here powered by JL audio, so it's going to be great sound quality, especially when you're behind the boat and listening to the music. As we make our way inside, we also have a designated spot here for a cooler. You can take this out, fill up your drinks, and then bring it back to the boat. And then tons of storage on here. Basically underneath all the seats, we have our recessed glove box right here. Also has some audio controls right there, and so in a good area to put your belongings to keep them dry. All right, so over here at the helm, we do have our race car inspired seat. This does swivel and adjust. We have a flip up bolster, super comfortable. So when you're right here, you can easily turn around and see what's going on behind the boat. And then we have our tilt steering wheel, link panorama screen for all your navionics, your ballast fill up, to adjust all the lighting on the boat, and then also all your engine vitals, water temperature. Everything's going to be super accessible here at the helm. Ergonomically, this boat has great visibility. You can see with the recessed glove box and here at the helm, everything is low profile, so you're going to have great visibility out front. Tons of room on this boat. I mean, this is rated for 19 passengers, so you're gonna be able to take all your friends and family out. All right, so up here in the bow, we do have our windshield that folds over, and then also a built-in air dam right here. So this is gonna block out some of that cold wind, maybe on the early parts of the season here in Minnesota. And then up in the bow, this is set up with a bow filler cushion right now. You can take this out. And then you also have armrests on either side right here. So you have tons of room right here. Great spot to hang out. This boat is located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by, check this out. Give us a call and make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.